If you can copy and paste, you can make $100 a day using ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. We'll start with the easiest method that anyone can do right now, and stick around until the end, because I'll reveal an advanced technique that could double or even triple your earnings. Alright, let's jump right into the simplest way to make money: freelance writing. Now, before you say, "I'm not a writer," hear me out. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are overflowing with clients looking for content. They need blog posts, articles, social media captions, you name it. Your job is to be the middleman. Here's the process. First, create a compelling profile on a freelance site. Highlight your skills in content creation and quick turnaround times. Then, start browsing for jobs. Look for gigs asking for things like top 10 travel destinations in Italy or 5 benefits of a vegan diet. These are perfect. Once you land a gig, let's say it's a 1,000-word article about the benefits of meditation. You'll go to ChatGPT and give it a simple prompt. Something like, write a 1,000-word blog post about the benefits of meditation for beginners. Use a friendly and encouraging tone. Include sections on stress reduction, improved focus, and better sleep. ChatGPT will generate the article in seconds. But here's the crucial step. Don't just copy and paste it directly. You need to add your human touch. Read through it, rephrase some sentences to make them sound more like you, check the facts, and maybe add a personal anecdote if you have one. This editing part is what separates you from the amateurs and ensures you deliver high-quality work. This simple process can easily earn you $50 to $100 per article. Do 1 or 2 of these a day, and you've hit your goal. Now, let's talk about another fantastic method: creating and selling digital products. This is where things get really interesting because you create something once, and you can sell it over and over again. Think ebooks, guides, templates, or even online courses. Let's say you're knowledgeable about fitness. You can use ChatGPT to help you outline and write an entire ebook, like the 30-day home workout challenge. You'd prompt ChatGPT with create a detailed outline for a 30-day home workout ebook for beginners. Include a daily workout plan, meal suggestions, and motivational tips. ChatGPT will give you a solid structure. Then, you can ask it to write each chapter. Write Chapter 1, the importance of setting fitness goals. Again, you'll need to edit and personalize the content. Add your own voice, maybe some images or diagrams. Once it's done, you can design a simple cover using a free tool like Canva, save it as a PDF, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. You could sell this ebook for $10 or $20. If you sell just 5 a day, you're at that $100 mark with a product that works for you even while you sleep. Okay, so we've covered freelance writing and digital products. You've been patient, and now it's time for that advanced tip I promised. This one has massive potential. AI-powered consulting for local businesses? Think about it. So many small businesses in your area, plumbers, bakeries, real estate agents, are struggling with their marketing. They don't have the time or skills to write website copy, social media posts, or email newsletters. You can be their go-to marketing guru, powered by Here's the plan. Identify a few local businesses whose online presence could use some work. Then, use ChatGPT to generate a sample of what you could do for them. For example, find a local coffee shop and prompt ChatGPT, write 3 engaging Instagram posts for a local coffee shop called The Daily Grind. 1 post should announce a new seasonal drink, 1 should feature a Meet the Barista spotlight, and 1 should be a customer testimonial. You then approach the business owner, not with a vague offer, but with concrete examples of your work. You can say, "I noticed you're doing great things, and I had some ideas for your social media. Here's a little taste of what I can create for you." This is so much more powerful than just asking for a job. You can offer them a monthly retainer package. For say $500 a month, you'll manage their social media content, write a weekly blog post, and handle their email newsletter, all with the help of ChatGPT. This provides you with stable, recurring income. Just 2 or 3 of these clients, and you're not just making $100 a day, you're running a real business. It takes more effort to set up, but the payoff is significantly higher and more consistent. So there you have it. 3 proven ways to make $100 a day with ChatGPT, from the simple copy and paste method to building your own consulting agency. The key is to start, take action, and always add your own unique human value to the AI-generated content. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more ways to leverage AI. Let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. See you in the next one.